Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sangmeshwar Kalyani, and today in this video we will walk through the process of building a simple to-do list application using Python programming language. We will explore how to manage tasks, add new tasks, delete tasks, and much more, all while understanding the code logic step by step. Uh, we will try to explain each function and demonstrate the functionality with the real-time output. So here we start by importing necessary libraries, that is OS, operating system, which is used for file operations. Then we have pickle for serialization. Then we have date time for handling the dates, and colorama for adding color to the console output. Okay, after that I defined here a function here, that is load underscore task. This function load the task from a file called task.dat, okay, using pickle. If it exists, if it is exist, then it will load the task. If it is not exist, it will initialize an empty list here, which is present in else part. Okay, and then we simply return the task variable here. Then we have defined here a save underscore task, which inherit the task variable. This function save the task to the task.dat file using the pickle module. Then we have a function that is a show underscore task, which inherit the task variable, or you can say which takes the argument, that is task. Okay, so each in this function start with an if statement that checks whether the task list is empty or not using the not keyword, and it will simply print the no task found. Okay, and uh, if uh, if the task list is not empty, which means there are tasks to display, then the function proceed to print this heading, that is your to-do list, if the task list is not empty. Then here is a for loop which is used to iterate through the task list. The enumerate function here is used to get both the index and task dictionary from the list. Then we have defined here start equal to 1, so the indexing start from the 1 instead of the default 0. Okay, then inside the loop the date added and task name variable are extracted from the current task dictionary. Date added correspond to the date and time when the task was added, and task underscore name correspond to the name of the task. Then loop prints the task information using the string formatting. Okay, the f character before the string indicate that it is the formatted string, and then curly braces are used to insert the value into the string. Okay, and the format of the printed line is in this format: index, then date, and then task name. Okay, simply the output is displayed in a user friendly format. It will show the task index, then date and time, and then task name, which is given by the user. Okay, then we have one more function here, that is add underscore task, which has two arguments, task and name. This function simply adds the new task to the list along with the current date and time. Okay, using this date time and strf time, this will add current date and time. Okay, then we have delete underscore task function, which has also two argument, task and index. This function simply delete the task based on the given index. uh, Based on the index it will delete the task. Okay, uh, if it is valid then it will delete, otherwise it display an error message, that is invalid task index. Okay, then here is the main function, which initialize the Colorama library that will print the message of welcome to the to-do list app, and it will load the task and enter the loop. Then we have a while loop here. While true, it will print the four options, that is show task, add task, delete task and exit. uh, then we have given here choice variable, which will prompt the user to enter your choice. 1 2 3 4 user can select any one of the choice. Okay, if the user choose one, then it will display the task using the show task function. It will display the task using this show task function, right? We have defined this function above. If the user choose to, it prompts for a new task name, add it to the list using the add task. Using this function it will add to the list and save to the updated list using this save underscore task function. Okay, if the user choose 3, it shows the task prompt for an index, and it will delete the task using that delete task function. Okay, and it will simply ask the user to enter a task index to which task he has to delete. Okay, and it will simply save to the updated list using this save underscore task function. And if user choose 4, it will simply print a goodbye message and breaks out of the loop to end the program. It will, if user choose 4, it will break the loop, it will break the while loop and it will end the program. If the user choice doesn't match any of the option, it will simply print the error message, that is invalid choice, please try again. Okay, then we have this if underscore underscore name underscore equal to underscore main, and this function is executed when the script is run directly. Okay, this will simply run the program. Then let's run this code. Let's see what we can get. See, you will see a console based to-do list application. It will simply print the welcome to the to-do list app, and it will show the options to the user, that is show task, add task, delete task and exit button. So and it will also show the enter your choice 1 2 3 4 of first of all, if you choose one, then it will show task, but we don't have any task right now. Then we have to add the task, so you have to type 2. Okay, then it will ask enter the task name. Simply type buy groceries or whatever you can type, buy groceries. Then it will print the message task added successfully. If you want to view this task, then simply type 1. It will show the task with the date and time, right? It will show the date 2023 8:15. time is 16:45:37, and it will also print the buy groceries, which is our task name, right? And if you want to delete the task, you can simply type 3 and hit the enter. Then it will ask, enter the task index to delete which task you want to delete. It simply asks the index, sorry. uh, if you print 1, if you give 2, because we have only one index, we have only one task. If you give 2, it will print an error message, that is invalid task index, right? Then simply, if you want to delete the task, then simply type 3, enter the task index 1. You want to delete this task, and hit the enter. Then task will deleted successfully. And if you want to exit from this application, simply type 4, then it will print a goodbye message. Okay. This output demonstrates the various functionalities of the to-do list application, including the adding, displaying, deleting the tasks. And this is a very simple and very simple to-do list application using Python programming language. You can use it for your own purpose. That's all from this video. Thank you.